Now we are using some cardboard and we have cutted it into a square shape. Now we will draw some designs into it, and next of course we will make some hanging. We have made a scenery and you can see how good it is looking now. Now again we are using some motis and we are pasting it to the circular shape cardboard, and we have cutted a yellow color paper into the shape of a leaf, and now we are using a thread to make it look more beautiful. Now again we are using a red color circular shape paper and we have given some folds to it and we have made a flower shape. You can see after giving the shape we'll paste some more of it with each other, and now it will look like a flower. Next we'll make some hangings and we'll paste it with each other. You can see this is ready now. Thank you very much for watching the video. Now again we are using a blue color thread and we have given a shape to it and we are cutting it to look like a flower. Now we will hang it with each other and we'll paste it with the paper. You can see we are using our wire to make a circular shape dream catcher and we have rolled it with the thread. Now we will hang it with all the flowers we have made, and you can see how beautiful and good it is looking now.